Alright everyone, welcome to our first trading system review video. Now, etong trading system na to ay tinatawag ko pong BALLIN GER. Get it? BALLIN GER? Never mind, no? Corny dad joke na naman ako. BALLIN GER na trading system. Etong trading system po na to ay gumagana sa forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, and indices. Now, ito po yung mga indicators na kailangan nyo para sa system na to. Unang-una, ang EMA or ang Exponential Moving Average set at 200. Then you want the Bollinger Bands set at default. And then the RSI set at default as well, no? Now, for the EMA, when we look at the charts later, yan po yung puting linya. Yung Bollinger Bands naman po, yung outer bands will be color blue, and then yung basis line will be color orange. Then sa RSI, tinanggal ko po essentially lahat ng nakalagay except yung RSI line mismo. Okay? Now, for our targets and stop for this particular system, kukunin po natin ang unang target natin kapag nag-hit na po ng 1:1 na risk-reward ratio or 1R. At ang second target naman po natin will be at 2:1 or 2R. Our stop will go beneath or above the swing low or high beneath or above the Bollinger Band. Okay? So, either one, either beneath or above the swing low, swing high, or beneath or above the Bollinger Band. This will make more sense later. Tapos, i-move po natin yung stop natin to break even when first target is hit. Okay? So, ito po yung parameters natin para sa long entry. The price needs to be above the 200 EMA. Meron po tayong nakikitang bullish hidden divergence sa RSI. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam kung ano ang bullish hidden divergence, yan po ay kapag nakakakita tayo ng higher low sa price and lower low sa RSI. Tapos gusto po nating makita na yung price ay mag-move underneath the Bollinger Band basis line at papasok po tayo when price closes back above the Bollinger Band basis line. Now, tumuloy po tayo sa example para mas mag-make sense yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. Example number 1. Makikita po natin dito na the price is above EMA 200. Tapos, meron din po tayong bullish hidden divergence. Price is forming a higher low, RSI is forming a lower low. Ngayon, makikita po natin that price comes beneath the basis line, the orange line, and then trades back above it. And in this particular example, kasabay na nag-trade back po siya above ng EMA 200. Okay? Now, our first target, as I discussed, will be 1:1. In this particular instance, ang pinili kong stop is beneath the swing low. Kasi sobrang lapit na rin naman po niya doon sa Bollinger Band. Now, nasa sa inyo po yon kung ano yung mas prefer nyo. Adjust nyo lang po accordingly yung TP, depende kung saan kayo naglagay ng stop. Kasi hinahabol nga po natin, for TP1 is 1:1, and then for TP2 is 2:1. Okay? Now, as you can see, in the very next candle, both TPs have been hit, meaning na-hit natin yung TP1 at na-hit natin yung TP2. Okay? So ito syempre yung ideal scenario natin sa ganitong trade kasi syempre gusto naman natin hanggat kaya very fast resolution. Pero syempre, pinakita ko to, perfect example, pero hindi naman po palaging ganyan. Let's take a look at our next example. So in this example, same no, price is above EMA 200. Meron po tayong bullish hidden divergence and then price moves beneath the basis line in orange and then closes back above it. Diba? In this candle here. So, ito ang magiging entry candle natin. So, ito po yung setup natin for targets. TP1 is 1:1, tulad ng dinescribe natin kanina. As you can see, I also put the stop beneath the swing low, which is actually lower than yung Bollinger Band. And then TP2 will be 2:1. Here, we can see na nag-hit na tayo sa TP1, pero hindi tulad ng first example, hindi pa po natin na-hit yung TP2. Okay? So dahil na-hit na po natin yung TP1, we will now move our stop to break even para kahit nabalikan tayo ng price, meron na po tayong naibangko na gains. Okay? But in the very next example, as you can see, we go ahead and we hit TP number 2. Okay, so yan po yung long entry parameters natin and how we assess our initial stop, our initial target, and when we move our stop. Ito naman po yung para sa short entry, sakaling gusto nyo rin mag-trade ng shorts, no? Now, pabaliktad lang po siya nung long entry natin. Price must be below the 200 EMA. Meron po tayong bearish hidden divergence na nakikita sa RSI. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, ang bearish hidden divergence is may lower high tayo sa price and meron po tayong higher high sa RSI. Price moved above the Bollinger Band basis line at papasok po tayo when price closes below the Bollinger Band basis line. Now, tignan po natin sa example, no? As you can see here, price is well below EMA 200. Meron po tayong bearish hidden divergence. Price has formed a lower high and RSI has formed a higher high, even if just barely. Now, price went above the basis line, which is in orange, and then closes beneath it. So yan po yung magiging entry candle natin. Okay? Now, TP1, same as before, magiging 1:1 yung ratio. And same as before, I personally put my stop above the swing high. Kung gusto nyo pong ilagay sa taas ng Bollinger Band, as I said, pwede. Nasa sa inyo po yun, no? Tapos, TP2 will be 2:1. Now, in this particular instance, makikita po natin na soon after, may hit po natin yung TP1. Okay, 1:1. After ma-hit ng TP1, ibababa po natin yung stop natin sa break-even na. Okay, ibababa kasi syempre, short tayo ngayon. Tapos, in this particular example, in the very next candle, we head straight to TP number 2 and the trade is done. Okay, simpleng-simple guys, no? Ganyan naman dapat eh. Kailangan naghahanap tayo ng sistema na simple lang para kapag kinakailangan ng gumawa ng desisyon, hindi po tayo nag-freeze. Now, I'm sure you're excited to know how this did in backtesting. Now, I backtested this sa Bitcoin USD using the 15-minute time frame and I took 100 trades, okay, sa pag-backtest ko. Ang start date natin for this test was January 30 hanggang August 21, 2021. Now, I need to point this out kasi importante to. During this time, the prevailing market environment was trending. Meaning, kapag nagre-range ang market environment, this strategy may not work as well. Para malaman nyo po kung gagana rin during ranging environments, be sure to backtest it properly. In fact, bago nyo po ito gamitin, bago kayo umasa masyado sa resulta na ipapakita natin, tandaan lang po na kailangan ibabacktest nyo muna ng maigi yung sistema base sa kung anumang merkado ang balak nyong paggamitan nito. Para alam ninyo for sure kung ito po ba ay gagana or hindi gumagana. Okay? Now, as we said, ang position percentage for TP1 or target 1 ay 50%. Once na ma-hit natin ang 1:1, kalahati po nung kinita natin, kalahati ng posisyon ay ilalabas na natin. Okay? Tapos, position for TP number 2 is the remainder na 50%. At once na hit natin yung 2:1, lalabas na rin po natin yon. Wala tayong pakialam kung tumaas pa yan lalo o bumaba pa yan lalo. Basta, ito lang ang hinahanap natin. Now, yung risk per trade na ginamit ko po for this test is 2%. Kung gusto nyo po siyang babaan or taasan, ay nasa sa inyo na po yon. But of course, your results will vary kasi syempre, mag-iiba yung risk per trade. TP1 was hit 63 times. And TP2 was hit 42 times. And the stop loss was hit 37 times. In this backtesting, the most wins I got in a row was 8, and the most losses I got in a row was 5. Yung total gains na nakita natin sa pag-hit ng TP1 was 26%, At ang total gains na nakita natin sa pag-hit ng TP2 ay 82%. And our strike rate, meaning our hit rate or win rate using this particular strategy in a trending environment was 63%. Leading to a total gain on account, meaning after the 100 trades, ang kinita ng account ay 108%. Okay? So guys, papaalala ko lang ulit bago tayo matapos, be sure na i-backtest nyo rin po to ng mabuti bago nyo gamitin sa live market conditions. Okay? Again, hindi po porket gumana ng maigi sa isang merkado, ibig po sabihin magiging pareho ang resulta sa lahat ng mga merkado na balak nyong ipag-trade gamit ng strategy na to. So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? Kamusta naman? Na-enjoy nyo po ba yung trading system review natin? Okay, if so, please let me know in the comment section below. Kung di naman po kayo natuwa or may feeling kayong kulang or gustong idagdag, please let me know in the comment section below as well. Okay? And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!